The battlefield is evolving, and today we're witnessing a masterclass in modern warfare. We've just received some absolutely jaw-dropping footage showcasing the incredible precision and effectiveness of Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. These aren't just reconnaissance drones. They are lethal hunters, and they've got Russian aircraft locked in their sights. In this video, we're going to break down this stunning new evidence of Ukrainian ingenuity and tactical superiority in the air. Let's dive right into the action. What you're seeing here is footage reportedly from Ukrainian Special Operations Forces targeting high-value Russian assets. Look closely at this airfield. These aren't just any planes. We're talking about advanced Russian fighter jets, parked and seemingly secure. Or so they thought. The crosshairs lock on, and within seconds, a Ukrainian-operated drone delivers a payload with surgical accuracy. The resulting explosion is devastating, engulfing the multi-million-dollar aircraft in flames. This isn't a lucky shot, it's a calculated strike, executed flawlessly. The key to these successful operations lies in a combination of advanced technology and brilliant strategy. Ukraine has been remarkably innovative in adapting and developing its drone capabilities. They're using a mix of commercially available drones modified for combat and sophisticated purpose-built military UAVs. This flexibility allows them to conduct missions deep behind enemy lines, something that would be incredibly risky for manned aircraft. They can loiter for hours, gathering intelligence, identifying targets, and waiting for the perfect moment to strike, all while the operators remain safely out of harm's way. What makes this footage so significant is the sheer audacity and success of these missions. Hitting a static target on an airfield might sound straightforward, but these are heavily defended military installations. We're talking about layers of air defense systems, electronic warfare countermeasures, and constant patrols. To penetrate these defenses, deliver a strike, and return or transmit the footage is a testament to the skill of the Ukrainian operators and the sophistication of their equipment. They are exploiting vulnerabilities with chilling efficiency. Let's analyze another strike. Here we see a different type of aircraft, possibly a transport plane or a bomber, again sitting on the tarmac. The drone's camera provides a crystal-clear, high-definition view. The operator takes their time, ensuring a direct hit on a critical component, like the cockpit or the engine. Boom, another direct hit. The fire that erupts is intense, indicating a successful strike on the fuel or munitions. Each of these aircraft taken out of commission is a massive blow to the Russian war effort. It's not just the financial loss. It's the loss of a strategic asset that can no longer threaten Ukrainian cities or support ground troops. This strategy is what military analysts call asymmetrical warfare. Ukraine, facing a numerically superior adversary, is using technology and clever tactics to level the playing field. Instead of engaging in costly and dangerous dogfights, they're hitting the enemy where they are most vulnerable, on the ground. By destroying these jets before they can even take off, Ukraine is effectively establishing localized air superiority without having to control the skies in a traditional sense. It's a brilliant, cost-effective, and highly impactful approach. Now let's talk about the types of drones being used. While specific models are often kept secret for operational security, it's known that Ukraine employs a range of systems. Some are long-range fixed-wing drones capable of flying hundreds of kilometers. Others are smaller, FPV or first-person view drones, often referred to as kamikaze drones. These are incredibly agile and can be flown with extreme precision, almost like a guided missile, but with a human operator making real-time adjustments right up to the point of impact. This footage likely comes from one of these highly maneuverable and deadly platforms. The psychological impact of these strikes cannot be overstated. Imagine being stationed at a rear-echelon airbase, hundreds of kilometers from the front lines, believing you are safe. Then, out of the blue, a silent, unseen enemy strikes from above, turning your sense of security into a nightmare. This creates constant tension and paranoia, forcing the Russian military to expend more resources on base defense, pulling assets away from the front. They have to rethink their entire strategy for protecting high-value assets, which is a victory in itself for Ukraine. This footage also serves as a powerful message to the world and to the Ukrainian people. It's a clear demonstration of Ukraine's resolve and its capacity to fight back effectively. Every successful strike is a morale booster, showing that they are not just defending, but are actively taking the fight to the enemy, disrupting their operations, and inflicting significant damage. It showcases a military that is learning, adapting, and innovating at a breathtaking pace. The implications for the future of warfare are profound. We are seeing the battlefield become increasingly transparent, where nowhere is truly safe. The age of drones is here, and they are changing the calculus of power. A small, relatively inexpensive UAV in the hands of a skilled operator can now neutralize a piece of military hardware worth tens of millions of dollars. This is a paradigm shift that military planners all over the world are watching very closely. As we continue to receive more information and footage, we'll keep you updated on these incredible developments. The skill and bravery of the Ukrainian forces, coupled with their innovative use of technology, are writing a new chapter in the history of military conflict. What we've seen today is not just a few lucky hits. It's a systematic and highly effective campaign to degrade the enemy's air power, one precision strike at a time. The message is clear. For Russian aircraft, even on the ground, the skies are no longer safe. Thank you for watching. The events unfolding are a testament to the courage and ingenuity of those defending their freedom. If you found this analysis insightful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coverage of these critical events. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.